Yeah, hello amazing customers. I welcome you to Steven Stone Design. We are working here in Sun City, designing the two pillars with a granite stones, and I'm here to give you the cost behind the cost of the granite stone behind. So let's go. Yeah, so as for this contract, the customer wanted to lay the granite stone for all the pillars. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So after I give them the measurement of every pillars now, is as you see the cost. So Steven, the cost is little high for me right now. So let us focus on only the two pillars for now. So after we have done and some money come now, I will extend the contract to do all. As our boss are here, I will do the same thing for you. So I give her the estimate for the two pillars. You see, the two pillars. And as for these two pillars now, we got 15 square meter of the stones. You see, and the granite stones also 1 square meter is 600 Ghana cedis. So you have to make your 600 Ghana cedis, my 600 Ghana cedis times the 15 square meter. We are going to get the cost of the stone material. Please use your calculation and do 600 Ghana cedis times 15 square meter. You get to know the cost of the stones you are going to use to design the two pillars. As you can see, you see, these are beautiful granite stones that looking so marvelous and unique. As you can see, you see, but as for this work, the customer have choose to lay the stones rough. Oh, here, one out, one in, one out, one in, one out, one in. So that when you have done it's going to form some unique design on the pillars. Trust me, you see. If they watch me right now that you are somebody that you don't like a common things, now, I recommend you a granite stones because it's not common here in Ghana here, and the quality is higher. Just look at the thickness of the stones. Look at the thickness of the stone. That will tell you how quality granite stones are. You see, I'll be about. You see, So when you say granite stones, you know what you are saying. You see, look at the thickness of the stones. Just look at the thickness of every stones. You see, so nice and beautiful. So we are on the installation process. You see, you go see, as for this customer, as you do the pillar, you know plaster again. If you have a vision to lay a natural stones on your building, please again, don't plaster or make you no plaster. You go fit job for you like that. You see, you don't need to plaster. Call us, we will lay the stone direct for you. That will going to save your little money for your pocket inside. You see, so beautiful. One thing we say, if you want everything to be smooth, we will do the smooth one for you. That be a beginning. We will share the pictures with you for you to choose what you want, and we do the same thing for you. Pepe. You see, very unique and beautiful. So just watch how we do the installation before I cut the video. So when you take the stones, you take the stone and see and measure the thing inside. So after I get them right, you see, you have to carry the stones, the mortar, to patch on the stones. You patch on the stones. You put another down for him body like this. And you put that for that place. You see, so most of the times People out there say why are we not using manet to hit the stones? No, these are stones. We the stone layers, we don't need manet for anything. We can use a normal hammer to hit the stones or an attractor to hit the stones. That be all. These are stones. You see, the reason why the talent with manet, we say manet is like a gum, and that's no, you can hit them with a hammer because it will break. That be what we want to do, something like gum which is heavy, that when you use that one they hit the task, and the task will not break. But as for this one, it is stones, so we don't need a manet to do the job. We need an a hammer or a thrower to hit the stones, and that's going to be all. So if you watch me right now, you don't understand some things concerning natural stones. As we the stone layers, and we tell you, and we will tell you the fact behind. Don't base on your own knowledge, you know, good. Don't just base on your own knowledge. It's not good. So I'm leaving you. Whatever they give us a call. The name is Steven Stone Design, and our service is available across the country. Bye bye.